Click on speaker button on right side on taskbar. Maximize the volume. After that, go to Windows search bar, type sound settings. Click on choose speakers to connected speakers. Now go to control panel. Click on large icons. Click on sound. Click on communication. Click on do nothing option. Now go to playback option. Double click on it. Click on advanced. Click on highest settings. Check sound quality by clicking on test. Click on apply. Click on OK. Now go to levels. Set speakers level to highest. Close all tabs. Now go to search bar and type troubleshoot. And the troubleshoot. Close it. Restart your PC. That's it. Thanks for watching.